Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I will clear the misconceptions about this constant current XL4015 buck converter. I have read many comments on my previous video of this module, and many of the people asked that why it's not increasing the output voltage as you rotate the potentiometer to clockwise or anti-clockwise. The first thing is that this is the step down converter, not boost converter. This module always reduces the output voltage, means lower the voltage, more the current to match the power factor. Okay, so I'm already powering it up with 15 volt 3 amps power supply, means 45 watts. So at the output, I will get around 14.5 volts at maximum 3.3 amps or less. So let me show you. So here's the input voltage, which is about 15.19, and here's the output voltage 4.04. So at that voltage I can easily get 5 amps max from it. That's the limit of this converter module. And the next thing is that, is it the best charger, means constant current, or is it the safe for battery charging or not? Means this module cut off the current supply to the battery. Let me show you. First measure the this battery is at 4.06 volts. Okay, and the voltage at the output of this module is 4.16. Obviously in that case it will charge this battery. So let me lower the voltage to 4 volts or 4.01. It's now at 3.6. Let me turn the potentiometer to the clockwise direction. Now that's enough. So if I connect to the battery, this indicator shows that there is no current flow. As you can see that I am connecting it to the terminals of the battery, so no current flow. Here's the clamp meter. Let me show you. As you can see that 0.00 amps means no current is flowing. But if the battery voltage is higher, means 5 volts, 9 volts or 12 volts, so, and if you disconnect the input power from the module, the reverse voltage of the battery will light up the LED of this module. It should be considered as a very small leakage current which slowly discharges the battery. So this thing is cleared that it's a safe charger, means you set the output desired voltage for your battery which matches your the battery desired voltage of for optimal charging, and the desired current maximum this can handle 5 amps. Now let's increase the voltage to a little higher than the battery's voltage. Battery is now at 4.05. I will set the output voltage to 4.07 or something. .09. That's enough. Now if I connect this, still no current flows because it's almost matching the battery voltage, so there is no current flow. Let me show you again with the help of a clamp meter. almost 0.1 amps, is less than 100 milliamps. So it's going to about, so now the battery is close to the desired output voltage of the converter. So that's why the green LED is on. If I further increase the output voltage, you can see that the blue LED is turned on, means that the current is now flowing, now at about 400 milliamps, and it's slowly decreasing. Yes, because the battery is near to match the desired output voltage of this converter. As soon as the voltage hits the point value, this green LED will turn on, which is considered as the cutoff for the battery. So I think now the one confusion is cleared about this module. If you have further questions, you can ask in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.